Right. Look at the answers for the homework questions. Exercise 20.1. First question given. Find the area of each of the triangles given below. Right. There are few figures given. We have to find the area of all of the figures. I think you remember last week we discussed what is the formula of the area of a triangle. What's the formula? Area equal half into base into perpendicular height. Okay, you have to remember that one. Then look at the first part. First, you have to identify what is the base and what is the perpendicular height. By observing this figure, you can understand it. Base is 9 centimeters, perpendicular height is 6 centimeters. Okay, so first I can find the area of this plane figure. I will not write the formula. You have to write half into base. Base is 9 centimeters into perpendicular height 6. This one centimeter and this one also centimeters. No, then you can simplify 2 and 6. You can divide by 2. 1, 3. 9 times 3, 27. Also you remember, okay, finally you have to write the unit. 27 square centimeters. That's the first part answer. Okay, then look at the second part. That's a triangle. First you identify base and height. Base and height 8 centimeters and 8.5 centimeters. No, so I can write the formula half multiply base multiply perpendicular height. 2 and 8 you can divide by 2. 1, 4. Then 4 multiply 8.5. You look at the answer. 8.5 multiply 4. 4 times 5, 20. Remaining 2. 4 times 8, 32. Plus 2, 34. You have to keep the one decimal place. So answer 34. 34 square centimeters. Okay, that's the second part answer, 34 square centimeters. Then we can go to the third part. Look at the third part. Carefully, you have to observe the figure. No, you have to understand what is the base and what is the perpendicular height. Can you understand what is the base?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. No, base means this one. Perpendicular height 5.2 centimeters. So you can write the formula. Then you can substitute half multiply 4 multiply 5.2. Simplify the numerator and denominators. 2 and 4 you can divide by 2. 1, 2. 2 multiply 5.2. The answer 2 times 2, 4. 5 times 2, 10. Also you have to keep one decimal point, one decimal place. So the answer 10.4 square centimeters. Right, you remember finally you have to write the unit. Okay, right. Then look at the fourth part. You have to identify correctly what's the base and what's the perpendicular height. What is the base of this one using the given information? What is the base?
6 centimeters.
Yes, 6 centimeters. Okay, not 8.5. හරි මම ඒක එදා කිව්වා කොහොමද කරන්න කියලා. අර vertex එකේ ඉඳලා perpendicular ඇඳපු line එක තමයි අපි base එක විදියට ගන්න ඕන, right? So the base is 6 centimeters. Perpendicular height is 4.8 centimeters. So you can write half into 6 into 4.8. Then you simplify 2 and 6. You can divide by 2. Then 3 multiply 4.8. 3 times 8, 24, remaining 2. 3 times 8, 24, remaining 2. 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So the answer 14.4 square centimeters. The last one, that's a figure, no? I think you can see the triangle. It's represented with dark color line. What is the base of this figure?
7.3 centimeter.
Yes, 7.3 and perpendicular height is 5 centimeters, no? So half multiply 7.3 multiply 5. By simplifying this, you have to get the answer. I think you can't divide by 2 and any numerator values, no? So first you multiply numerators. 5 times 3, 15, remaining 1. 5 times 7, 35, plus 1, 36. 36.5 divide 2. Right, then you have to divide by 2. 36.5. I will divide here 36.5 divide by 2. 1 times 2, 2, remaining 1, 16. 8 times 2, 16, remains 0. Then I have to put 5. Then you keep the decimal point in order correctly. 5. How many 2's? 2. 2 times 2, 4. Remaining 1. Another 0 you can put here. 10. How many 2's? 5. 5 times 2, 10. It is okay. So the answer 18.25 square centimeters. That's the final part answer of the first question. Okay. Then I'm going to the next question. Quickly you check your answers. Okay. Are you correct these answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. I think all of you check the answers. Now I'll clean the screen. Then I'm going to the next question. Look at another one. The area of the triangular shaped flower bed in the figure is 800 square centimeters. This one area given as 800 square meters. Find the length marked as x. X mean what? Base, no? Right? X කියලා දීලා තියෙන base එක. So the perpendicular height given as 40 meters. So you can build up the equation, no? Related this given information. I can build up the equation. How? Area. Area equal, what is the area? 800. Area equal, we know the formula of the area of a triangle, half into base. Base is x into perpendicular height 40. Right? We can build up like this an equation. Then you simplify. 2 and 40. You can divide by 2. 2 divide to 1. 40 divide to 20. Then you can write 800 equal 20x, right? Then we have to remove this 20 from this side. How you remove? Both sides you have to divide by 20. 20 and 20 cancel. So the answer you can get, this 0 and 0 also you can simplify, no? 80 divide 2. What is the answer? 40. X mean a length, no? So you have write the unit meters. Right? අර හැමතිස්සෙම මේ final answer එකක් ගත්තාම මේ measurements related තියෙන ඒවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒකේ unit එක ලියන්න.
Sir,
Yes.
meters the square meters.
Length meters. Area square meters. හරි area එක තමයි square meters දෙන්නේ. ඇයි මොකද මෙතනදී මෙයා meters වලින් ඕන substitute වෙන්න නේද? Right? This one is meters. And also this one meters. Length දෙකක් නේ. the meters multiply වුණාම තමයි square meters කියලා area එකක් අපිට එන්නේ. Right? ඔයගොල්ලෝ මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ මේකෙන්. හරිද? length එකක් යවුවොත් ඒ දීලා තියෙන එක අනුව centimeters, meters ඒ වගේ දෙයක්. area එක යවුවොත් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම square centimeters, square meters ඒ වගේ එකට මතක තියාගන්න. Right? That's the answer. Okay? Second question. Okay, then I'm going to the third one. Third one also given 4 parts. First time I will do the first part. Okay, look at. Find the length marked as x in the each of the triangles given below. X, this length, no? Can you find the area using the given informations of this triangle? How you can find the area? Area equal half into length into base, right? I think you can understand this ABC triangle. These 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters are base and perpendicular height, no? Right? First you find the area of this plane figure. First you have to find the area. මොකද area එක දන්නේ නැතුව අපිට x හොයන්න බෑ. Right? Area equal half into 8 into 6. Then 2 and 8 we can simplify. 2 divide to 1, 8 divide to 4. What is the area? 24 square centimeters. Is it okay now? Make even making? නෑ නේද? තාම නෑ. We have to find x. එහෙනම් x හොයන්නේ කොහොමද? දැන් x හොයන්න අපි තවත් විදියකින් මේකේ area එක නේද හොයාගන්න අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. right? කොහොමද අනිත් ක්‍රමය? Base is 10, perpendicular height is x. Right? Same triangle area we have to find using the another method. හරි තවත් ක්‍රමයකින් මම මේකේ area එක හොයාගන්නවා. එතකොට මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? The area we found in the previously, no? 24. This 24 area equal, another method I will write half into base 10 into x perpendicular height. right? දැන් එකම triangle එකට මම මේ areas දෙවිදියකට හොයාගන්නේ. ඒතර මුලින්ම මම area එක හොයාගත්තා. දැන් ඒක use කළා. මොකද එකම figure එකේ නම් එකම area එක වෙන්න එපා කොහොම හෙව්වත් නේද? හරි එහෙනම් මේ area එක use කළා මම තවත් method එකකට හදනවා මේක. right? Then you can simplify 2 and 10. You can divide by 2, 1, 5, So we can write 24 equal 5x. Then both sides you have to divide by 5. 5 divide 5, it is cancelled. X equal 24 divide 5. 24 divide 5. How many 5s to 24? 4. 4 times 5, 20. Remaining 4. Then another 0 you can put here. Decimal point you have to keep. 40. How many 5s? 8. 8 times 5, 40. So the answer 4.8 centimeters, no? Right? Are you clear this one? Also, are you correct this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think last week I explained like that questions. Okay, then I'm going to the second part. Look at the second part. The triangle given, we have to find this length x. Okay, first you have to find the area, no? How you can find the area? Using the measurements 8 centimeters and 15 centimeters, you can find the area, no? 8 is the perpendicular height and 15 is the base, right? One method to find the area, right? අපිට ඔන්න එක method එකක් හම්බුණා area එක හොයන්න. එහෙනම් මේ method එක use කරලා අපිට area එක හොයන්න පුළුවන්කම තියෙනවා නේද? right? එහෙනම් අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම area එක හොයමු, right? Area equal half into base into height. I will got the base 15 and height 8. 15 multiply 8. Then I can simplify 2 and 8. You can divide by 2. 2 divide 2, 1. 8 divide 2, 4. 4 multiply 15, 60. So this triangle area should be 60 square centimeters. Right, now I found the area of this triangle, right? In a area එක මොන විදියට හෙව්වත් එකම figure එකේ area එක ඕක එන්න ඕන නේද? Right, then I will write another formula for the area. Right, area is 60. Another method using, I will find the area half into base. I will get as x and perpendicular height should be 10, no? Right? On තවත් method එකකට ගන්නවා අපි x and 10 use කරලා, right? Half into x into 10. Then you can simplify 2 and 10. You can divide by 2, 1, 5. So 60 is equal to x multiply 5. That means 5x. Then you can divide both sides by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. X equal, what is the answer? 12 centimeters. Right? X equal 12 centimeters. Binary, do you have some problem to ask? I can't hear. Mic is far away, I think you. දුර ඉන්න නැත්තේ. I can't hear. ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ. බලන්න audio එක හරියට connect ද කියලා. දැන් unmute වුණා. ආයි හරි. දැන් කියන්න බලන්න ඇහෙනවද කියලා. ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ. අට හොලවනවා පේනවා. මට මේ මැසේජ් එකක් එනවා. මොකක් හරි අර ඔඩියෝ එකේ ගැටලුවක් ඇත්තේ. මැසේජ් එකක් එවන්නද? මං කියන ඒවා ඇහෙනව නේද? You got this answer by using another method. Okay. Okay, it is no problem. It is I can't ask the method, no? Why you say what, but I can't hear you. Okay, the suitable method using you can get the answer. Okay, same answer you have to get, no problem. That's the method, normal method. Okay, then I'm going to the next part. Look at the third part. This one also we can use the same method. Look at, first I can find the area using the 8 centimeters and 4.5 centimeters. No, 8 centimeter is the base, 4.5 centimeter is the perpendicular height. So you can find the area. Area equal half into 8 into 4.5. 8 and 2, you can divide by 2. 4 multiply 4.5, I can get the answer. 4 times 5, 20. Remaining 2. 4 times 4, 16. Plus 2, 18. The decimal point you have to keep here, one decimal place. That is the area of this triangle. Also, this area I can got using another method, using another base and perpendicular height. What is the base? 12, perpendicular height x. Right? දැන් මම මේ ගත්ත area එක විදියකට ගත්තේ. තවත් විදියකට මට ඒක හොයන්න පුළුවන් same area no. So you can write another formula. 18 equal half into base 12 and perpendicular height x. 12 into x. Right. 2 and 12. You can divide by 2. 1, 6. So 18 equal 6 multiply x. Then both sides you have to divide by 6. So the answer x equal 3 centimeters. Right? X equal 3 centimeters.
Sir,
Yes.
අපිට ඒක 3 centimeter equal x කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන් නේද?
ඒක ගැටලුවක් නෑ. දැන් මේ දෙපැත්ත change වුණා කියලා එහෙම ගැටලුවක් නෑ. answer එක හරි. Right. 3 centimeters equal x, that means x equal 3 centimeters. Okay, then last part of this question, look at I can find the area using these two measurements, no? Base 6, perpendicular height 5.2. So first you can find the area. Area equal half into base 6 into perpendicular height 5.2. I can simplify, no? 2 and 6. 3 multiply 5.2. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 5, 15. One decimal place you have to keep. So the area is 15.6 square centimeters. This area I can write using another measurement, base 8 and the perpendicular height x. Okay, so you can write 15.6, that's the area, equal half into 8 into x. These two simplify. 15.6 equal 4x. Both sides divide by 4. You can get the answer x equal okay, 15.6 we have to divide by 4. How many 4s to 15? 3. 3 times 4, 12. Remaining 3, keep the decimal point here. 36. How many? 9. 9 times 4, 36. So the answer 3.9 centimeters. Right, okay. That's the answers for the question. Then we can go to the next one. Next question. Can you understand this question? How you find these values?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm going to the next one. Question number 5. Sorry, question number 4, no? Question number 4. The area of the triangle BCD. Look at BCD triangle. There are a lot of straight lines given. I will draw the BCD triangle with black color. Okay, B. This one BCD. That's the triangle. Okay, this triangle area given 30 square centimeters. Okay, this one area 30 square centimeters. That's the given value. Right, okay. Can you tell me what is the base, what is the perpendicular height of this triangle?
Base is 6 centimeter.
Base is 6 centimeters. Perpendicular height? This one, no? H. Right, බලන්න මේ line එකට මේකනේ perpendicular එකක් ඇඳලා තියෙන්නේ නේද? එහෙනම් base 6 perpendicular height h. Right.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the message මම දැක්කේ නැකින් ටික පරක් වුණා sir. Sir, දැන්ද පටන් ගත්තේ.
මම 6:10 වගේ තමයි ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගත්තේ. හරි කමන්නේ අපි last week එකේ කරපු homework එක තමයි මම මුලින්ම discuss කරන්නේ තාම. ඒකට ඒක අර answers ටික බලා ගන්නවා අර recording එකත් එක්ක මෙතන ඉඳලා join වෙනවා. මම okay, now I'm going to find the answer of H. I explain how we can find the answer. No, this area is 30, base 6, perpendicular height h. Okay, using these informations we can find the first part answer. Area is 30, 30 centimeters equal half into base 6 into perpendicular height h. Right, using this formula you can find the h. 2 and 6 you can divide by 2, 6 divide to 3, so you can write 30 equal 3 multiply h. 3 multiply h means 3h, no? Then both sides divide by 3, you can get the answer. 3 and 3 cancel, h equal 10. H is a length, so you have write centimeters. Why? Other sides are given in centimeters, no? So you have write h equal 10 centimeters. So first part is okay. Then look at the second part. Find the area of the triangle ABD. Using another color, I will draw the ABD triangle. Okay, that's the ABD triangle. With blue color, I will draw. That's the ABD. Now you have to find this one area. Can you understand? What is the base? 12.8 centimeters. No, perpendicular height is this one. This one is equal to h. Why? These two are equal. No, you can observe the symbols. So I can find the answer like that. Second part, okay. Area equal half into base 12.8 into perpendicular height, this h we found 10 centimeters. Now you have to simplify. Look at how you can simplify. Any method you can use, no problem. Okay, 10 multiply 12.8. I think you remember when we multiply the decimal number by 10, this decimal point will be gone to one place to your right hand side, no? Then 128 divide 2. What is the answer? 64. So the answer should be 64 square centimeters. Right? There are two parts given. Now I found the answers. Right? Okay. Are you clear? Do you have some problems? Right. Okay. Quickly check. Then I'm going to the next question.
Sir,
Yes.
අපිට බැරිද 2 and 10 divide කරන්න?
පුළුවන්. 2 and 10 divide කරලා එතකොට 5 වෙනවා. 5 multiply 12.8. Same answer you can get. Okay. No problem. Simplification එක ඕන විදිහකට තමන්ට පහසු විදිහට කරගන්න එක ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. Right. Now I am going to the next one. It is the last question of this exercise homework. Right. Look at the points A, B, C, and D are located on the sides of the rectangle PQRS. That's the points A, B, C, D. As indicated in the figure, find the area of the rectangle PQRS. Right. PQRS. PQRS means this rectangle, no? I think you remember when we find the area of the rectangle. Do you remember the formula? Length into breadth, no?
Into breadth.
So the first part answer you can get area equal length. Length is 6 and 3, 9 centimeters, no? Breadth is 6. Right? By adding you can get the answer, no? 6 plus 3, 9. So I will write 9 centimeters multiply breadth is 6. By multiplying these two, you can get the answer. 9 times 6, 54. 54 square centimeters. That's the first part answer. Then first part is okay. Okay. Then I'm going to the second part. Find the area of the triangle APD. I will draw the APD triangle with using another color. APD where? A P D. Okay, that's the APD, no? Triangle. If you want to find the triangle area, you have to use the formula. Half equal, half multiply base into height, perpendicular height. What is the base? 6. Perpendicular height, PD length, no? What is the PD length?
3 centimeter.
3 centimeters, no? Right? මේ side එකම 6 නේ. එහෙනම් ඒකෙන් half තමයි මෙතන එන්නේ. පේනවා ඒක මෙහෙම අර කොටස් දෙකකට divide කරලා තියෙනවා. So what are the measurements? 6 and 3. Half into 6 into 3. So second part, you can find the area equal half into 6 into 3. I can simplify 2 and 6. 2 divide to 1. 6 divide to 3. 3 times 3, 9 square centimeters. So this part area is 9 square centimeters. Right? Also second part is okay. Then we have to go to the third part. Okay. Now, how you can find the third part answer? Third part means find the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. ABCD. Look at what is the ABCD. That's the ABCD, no? Using another color, I will draw the ABCD quadrilateral. That's the ABCD. Right? When may ඇතුලේ තියෙන කොටස නේද? ABCD mean this one. Can you suggest a method to find this one? කොහොමද අපි මේක කරන්නේ?
3 cm equal side of quadrilateral and 6 cm of other side, 5 cm is other side.
Another method, can you say, another student? අපිට මෙන්න මේ ටික තමයි හොයන්න ඕන. හරි? මේ ටික තමයි අපිට හොයන්න ඕන. මේකේ ඒරියා එක තමයි හොයන්න ඕන. මේ ඇතුලේ තියෙන ඒරියා එක. කොහොමද මේක හොයන්නේ? මෙහෙම කරන්න පුළුවන් නේද? I found the large rectangle area in the first part, 54, no? Then how you can get the ABCD quadrilateral? කොහොමද මේක ගන්න පුළුවන්? මෙන්න මේ triangular parts ටික අයින් කරාම නේද අපිට මේක ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ?
Removing the triangle.
ඔව්. එහෙනම් මොනවද කරන්න ඕන? ඔයගොල්ලෝ separately මේ triangles හතර areas හොයන්න. හරිද? දැන් අපි එකක් හෙව්වා. මොනවද හෙව්වේ අපි මේක නේද? right මම මේක 1 කියලා දාන්නම්කෝ. එක හෙව්වා. මේක මම ගන්නම් 2 කියලා. right මේක ගන්නම් 3 කියලා, මේක ගන්නම් 4 කියලා. ඔන්න ඔය හතර වෙන වෙනම හොයාගත්තා නම් ඒ හතර අයින් කරාම තමයි මෙන්න මේ quadrilateral එක එන්නේ නේද? හරි. එහෙනම් මම මේක shortly ලියන්නම්. හරි. Second one area. First one is okay. Second one area half into base into height. Base is 3. Height. ඕගොල්ලෝ දැන් මේක right angle triangle එකක් ඉඳ ඕන එකක් ගත හැකි base height කියලා ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. දැන් මේක 3 නේ. මේ ටික කීයද? Total is 9, no? This length is 5. So this part 4 centimeters. Right? මේක 4යි නේද? පැහැදිලි නේ? It is 4. 2 and 4 you can divide by 2. So its area 6 square centimeters. Right? ඔන්න ඒකත් අපි හෙව්වා. එකත් වැඩේ හරි නේද? Then I'm going to the third part area. Find third one area. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේව ලියනකොට මෙහෙම නම් කරගෙන කොහොම හරි ලියන්න. හරි. දැන් මේක ලියත හැකි ඕන නම් area of BRC triangle. එහෙම ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් මේ විදිහට නම් කරගෙන මොකක් හරි ලෙටර් එකක් දාගෙන කොහොම හරි ඒක අර බලන කෙනාට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් විදිහට ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒක ලියන්න. right? Half into base 5 into height. Height is 3 centimeters. No? So we can't simplify 2 and any numerators. 5 times 3, 15. 15 divide 2. 15 divide 2, 7.5 square centimeters. Also, we have to find the fourth part area. It is also triangle. Half into 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9 divide 2. Answer is 4.5 square centimeters. හරි දැන් ඔන්න ඒ ටික හරි. දැන් තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? මෙන්න මේ කොටස් හතර ඇඩ් කරලා අර සම්පූර්ණ rectangle එකෙන් එක subtract කරා. Right? What is the addition of four triangles? 9, 6, 15, 15 and 7.5 and 4.5. Right? මම මෙහෙන් එක ඇඩ් කරගන්නම්. 7.5, 4.5, 6, 6 means 6.0, 9, 9.0, 10 remaining 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 18, 27. So this the outside triangular parts area 27 square centimeters. The first part I found the total area of the rectangle, no? So how you can find this area? 54 minus 27. So what is the answer? 27 square centimeters. Right? 27 square centimeters. That's the answer for the fifth question. Right. Then I am going to discuss another part of this lesson. What is the next part? The area of composite plane figures. I hope to complete this lesson today. Okay. Then next week I hope to complete the time lesson. Then we can complete our second term lessons. Right. The beginning of the next month. I hope to start the third term lessons. Also, you have to take the term test. Okay, after finishing the lesson, I will inform. Okay, you write the main topic of your book, the area of composite plane figures. The area of composite plane figures.
Finish.
Right. Now I'm going to discuss this part. I think not this one is not new theory for you, right? Composite mean what? Combining, no? Right. Now, which figures can you find the area? මොනවගේ shapes වල area එක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හොයන්න පුළුවන්ද? Rectangles, square, triangles. Right? මේ තුන නේද? එහෙනම් මේ තුන පුළුවන්. Yes, there are three figures. Now you know in grade 9 you can study about how we find the area of trapezium, parallelogram, circle. හරි ඒ ටික grade 9 එකේදී හම්බ වෙනවා. හරි දැන් අපිට තියෙන්නේ මොනවද? ඔන්න ඔය જાති තුන එකතු වෙලා තියෙන figure එක area එක හොයන්න. හරි. ඉතින් දැන් දන්නවනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් කලිනුත් අපි කරන්නේ නේද? දැන් මේ වගේ එක area හොයන්නේ කොහොමද? අර ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්න shapes වලට මේක separate කරගන්න ඕනනේ. එහෙනම් මෙතනදිත් ඒකම තමයි. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ පේනවාද මේක? මෙතන මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? මේ නිකන් house එකක් වගේ තියෙනවනේ figure එකක් නේද? Right? What are the shapes? Triangular shapes and I think rectangular shape, no?
Yeah.
එහෙනම් පැහැදිලිද හොයන විදිය දැන්? කොහොමද හොයන්න පුළුවන්? First you have to find the separately area of a triangle and area of a rectangle. By adding these two, you can find the area of the composite plane figure, right? Not a new one. හරි දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඒක මම එච්චර ලොකුවට එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. දැන් පැහැදිලි. Okay. Now I'm going to your textbook questions. You turn page number 55, 20.2 exercise. Look at 20.2 exercise. Okay, you write your textbook, exercise 20.2, question number 1, part 1. Right. Then you draw this figure of your book. What is the figure? Can you tell me what is the shape of this plane figure? What is the name of this quadrilateral? Can you give? In grade 6 you learn. මොකද්ද මේකට කියන්නේ මොනවද? That's a quadrilateral. Special name you can give. මොකද්ද මේක? Don't remember? මොනවද මේ? trapezium එකක් නේද? Right? Trapezium. Okay. ඒක ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. figure එක අපිට අවශ්‍ය නැහැ මේ grade 8 එකේදී. Right. First you draw the figure of your book. Okay. Then how we can separate this given plane figure into rectangles or triangles? කොහොමද බෙදන්න පුළුවන් අපිට?
So I want to draw the picture.
Yes, you draw the picture. I can separate this one like this, no? Right? Like this. You can separate the picture. Right? පැහැදිලි නේද? This line is, this angle should be 90, no? This one should be 90. Then I can write two letters for this two parts. I will write this one as capital A, this one as capital B. Right? What is the shape of capital A? Rectangular shape, no? Capital B, triangular shape. I think you remember how we find the area of the rectangle, length into breadth. How we find the area of the triangle, half into base into perpendicular height. Okay. Can you find the answer? Using the given informations, you can find the base, height, right? Like that features. Okay. You quickly try to find the answer. area of figure A. Can you tell me what is the length and breadth of the rectangular part?
14 centimeter and 8 centimeter.
14 and 8, no? So you can write 14 centimeter multiply 8 centimeters. Then you multiply and you can get the answer. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 1, 8 plus 3, 11. Square centimeters. It is okay. Right? On අපේ එක වැඩක් ඉවරයි නේද? Right. Then I am going to find the area of the figure B. Area of figure B. Figure B is a triangular part. Triangle area, half into base into height. Now you have to find base and height of this triangle. Can you identify what is the base, what is the height?
Base is 22.
Base is 22. Height? දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් unclear නම් හරියට තේරුම් ගන්න අමාරු නම් මෙහෙම ඇඳ ගන්න වෙන තැනක. right පොඩ්ඩක් එහාට කරලා ඇඳ ගන්නකො.
Centimeter.
right මේ දෙක නේද base and height වෙන්න ඕන. right what is the length of this one? බලන්න මේකේ දිග කීයද? මේ 8. it is 8 no? It is 8. මේ triangle එක මේක මේ සම්පූර්ණ එකක් නෙවෙයි triangle එක. හරි? වෙන් කරගන්න. මේක 8. This one base මේ length එක කීයද? මේ ටිකනේ. What is the length? This total length is 22 no? මේ සම්පූර්ණ length එක 22. මේ ටික 14. එහෙනම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? 22 minus 14. What is the answer? 8. Right? 8. So you can substitute half into 8 into 8. 8 and 2 you can divide by 2. 1, 4. 8 times 4, 32 square centimeters. Right. Then we can find the area of composite figure. You have to add these two, no? Right? මේ දෙක එකතු වෙලානේ හැදෙන්නේ. 112 plus 32. What is the answer? 140 square centimeters. Right? Are you clear? How we find the composite figures areas, no? Right. Using the given data, symmetry, right? You can find the unknown measurements. Right? අපිට දීපු නැති ඒවා අපි ඒ විදිහට පරිස්සමින් ඒක හොයාගන්න. Right. Okay, then are you clear? Finish all of you now? Right in this. Then still anyone doing? Inform me, okay? If else, I will clean the screen. Okay, I think all of you finished. Okay, now can you find the second part answer? Along, I will not give the support first. You have to find it. මේ figure එකේ තව මොනවා හරි වෙනසක් කරන්න වෙයිද අපිට?
Yes, sir.
How many parts you have to separate in this composite figure? There are
In
3 parts, no? There are 3 parts. 3 parts mean what? You have to separate like this. Right? මෙතනනොත් මේක separate කරගන්න වෙනවා. Okay. Now you try to find the answer using the given informations.
Sir,
Yeah.
figure එක draw කරන්න ඕනේ sir.
ඔව් figure එක draw කරන්න නැත්නම් බැහැනේ නේද? අපි measurements මේක හරියට වෙන් කරගන්න ඕනේ. Right, first to draw the figure, then you find the answer, okay, using the given information. If you want, you can separate these names.
okay, sir.
Right.
Finish. Sir.
Right. Now I'm going to find the answer. There are 3 figures. I separated into 3 main figures. triangular parts and I think square shape or rectangular shape. We can find it later. Look at first I will find the area of figure A. Area of figure A is equal to, right, look at the figure A is triangular shape, no? So how you find the triangle area? Half into base into perpendicular height. Half into base into perpendicular height. Base mean this ST length, no? How you find ST length? This length is 14. So SR is 14, no? This TR part given 10. So this one 4 centimeters. So remember base is 4. Perpendicular height. Perpendicular height means this one, no? It is 10. Right, now we have to simplify. 2 and 4 or 2 and 10, both values, anyone, you can divide by 2. 2 divide to 1, 4 divide to 2. 2 times 10, 20. So its area 20 square centimeters. What can you say about this triangle area? මේක ගැන මොකද කියන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ? ඒකත් මේ වගේම නේද? Right? Similar, no? Okay. එහෙනම් අපිට ඒක අයිත් හොයන්න දෙයක් නැහැ නේද? Right? මේක ඒකම තමයි. But we have to find the figure B area. Area of figure B. Figure B is square shape, no? Length and breadth 10 and 10. 10 centimeter multiply 10 centimeters is equal to 10 into 10. What is the value? 100. 100 square centimeters. Right. I told you the figure A and C. These two triangles are similar, no? So again, I think not need to find the area of figure C. It is similar. If you want, you can find, no problem. Now I can find the answer. Area of composite figure. Area of composite figure. When you find the area of composite figure, you have to add these three areas. This triangle area 20 and the square area 100 and this triangle area also 20, no? Now you can add 20 plus 100, 120, 120 plus 20, 140. You remember, finally you have write the unit. Unit is square centimeters. Right. That's the answer of the second part. Now are you clear? Easy or difficult? It is easy one, no? Not difficult one. Okay. Then another one part given of this question, no? අපි එකත් හදලිමු නේද? ඔව් ඒකත් හදලිමු අපි. Right. Quickly you do the third part. First you draw the figure of your book. Then you draw. First you draw and after that you find the answer. Okay.
Finished, sir.
Right. How many parts you have to separate into two parts? No, it is separated, right? අපිට ආයි තමුතුවෙන් separate කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ නේද? Right. Both parts are triangular shape, no? So when you find the both part areas, you have to use half into base into perpendicular height. I will name this one as A, this one as B. If you want to, you can write the name of the triangle. Okay, it is no problem. Right? Then AB කියලා නොදා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ letters වලින් name කරන්න පුළුවන්. What is the name of this triangle? LMN. හරි අර විදියට දන්නවනේ triangles මේ name කරන විදිය නේද? Right. Now I will find the area of figure A. It is a triangle, so you can write half into base. Base is 6 and perpendicular height 8. 8 and 6, no? You wrote change these values, no problem. අපිට කොයි විදියට උනත් ගන්න පුළුවන්කම තියෙනවා, right? 8 into 6. Half and 2 and 8 or 2 and 6 you can simplify. 1, 4. 4 times 6, 24 square centimeters. Okay. Then we have to find the area of part B. Part B means figure B. Area of figure B. It is also triangular shape. So you can use the formula half into base into base. What is the base? 6 centimeters, no? Base is 6. Perpendicular height. What is the length? What is the perpendicular length? What is the answer? Perpendicular length mean what? You have to draw the perpendicular line from K to NL. Right? මේ K ඉඳලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ NL වලට නේද perpendicular line එකක් මේව draw කරන්න වෙනවා. What is the length? This total length is 15 centimeters, no? From this position to this one, 8 centimeters. So what is the perpendicular height? 15 minus 8, 7. Right? Now we can simplify. 2 and 6. You can divide by 2. 1, 3. 3 times 7, 21 square centimeters. Now we can find the area of composite figure. (24 plus 21). The answer 45 square centimeters. Right, now are you clear how we find the area of composite plane figures? Huh? Right, you have to separate into triangles, rectangles, and square shapes. Right? Then separately you find the areas of the separated part. By adding all areas, finally you can find the whole figure area. Okay, that's the finding method. Okay, now I think all of you can understand this part now, right? The remaining parts you have to do as homework, okay? Remaining parts of this exercise. Right, දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේව කරනකොට බලන්න. හරිද? දැන් මේක මේ වගේ එකක් කොහොමද එන්නේ? Third figure, look at. Can you suggest the method to find the shaded part area? This one.
First find the whole triangle and remove the square part.
Yes. First we have to find the area of the triangular part. හරි මේ සම්පූර්ණ එකේම හොයන්න. Then you have to find the square part area. Then you can subtract the two areas, no? The remaining parts should be the shaded part area. Right? එන ඒ විදිහට ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලන්න දැන් මේ වගේ එකක් අවශ්‍ය විදිහට separate කරගන්න නේද? හරි දැන් මේවත් එහෙම අවශ්‍ය විදිහට separate කරගන්න. Right? එහෙනම් try කරලා බලන්න නේද? Okay. That's a homework.
Sir,
Yes.
මගේ book එකේ තියෙන්නේ second question එකේ last part එකේ 30 centimeter නෙවෙයි 20 centimeter නෙවෙයි.
නෙවෙයි. ඒකේ තියෙන්නේ කීයද?
30 centimeter.
30. ගැටලුවක් නැහැ ඉතින් කියන විදියට හදන්නනේ. එතකොට මේ හදන විදියට මොකක් හරි ආන්සර් එකක් එන්නේ නේද? අපි බලමු ඒවා හරිද කියලා. values ගැටලුවක් නෑ අර හදන method එක මොන questions වලින් හරි study කරන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. Right. Okay, now I'm going to discuss another part. What? 20.4 of your book. The surface area of cube and cuboid. You write the new subtopic of your book. The surface area of a cube and cuboid.
Finish.
Okay. The surface area of the of a cube and of a cuboid, right? In grade 6, you study about grade 7 and grade 8 also. You studied about the solids, no? What are the solids you studied? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, prism, tetrahedron, no? Right, like that. A lot of solids, dodecahedron, right? In this grade, a lot of things you studied. Do you remember how many faces of the cube? How many faces of a cube?
6 faces.
6 faces. How about the faces? Same size and shape or different shapes?
Same size.
Same, no? Square shape. Cuboid, how many faces? Also 6 faces, no? Right, now we are going to find the surface area of a cube and cuboid, right? අපි දැන් cube වල cuboid වල surface area තමයි හොයන්න යන්නේ. එච්චර ලොකු ගැටලුවක් නෙවෙයි මේකත්. right? ඔයගොල්ලෝ පුළුවන් ඒකත් හොයන්න. Okay. First I am going to find the surface area of a cube, right? Surface area of a cube. Now you draw this figure of your book. I will draw the screen. You can draw it. Okay, you draw this. That's a cube. I only wrote the measurement side length of this side. Okay, this one 6. So I think you can understand if this one is a cube, other all sides should be 6 centimeters. No. Okay. Now look at how we find the surface area. Okay, total surface area of this cube. Right. First, you have to find the area of a face. Area of one face. Right. එක face එකක area එක හොයමු අපි. Area of a face. What is shape of face? Square shape. No. We know how we find the square's area. Length into breadth. Length and breadth are same. What is the length and breadth? 6 centimeters. So you can find the area of a face. 6 centimeters multiply 6 centimeters. What is the answer? 36 square centimeters. Right? Okay. Are you clear? Fine. Now අපි මුල්ම step එක කරා. Then you told early how many faces of the cube there are 6 faces no එහෙනම් මේ වගේ faces කීයක් තියෙනවද මේකේ 6ක් තියෙනවා නේද right if you want to find the total surface area one face area is 36 ඒ වගේව කීයක් තියෙනවද 6 එහෙනම් මේක multiply කරනවා මොකද්ද 6 වලින් හරි පැහැදිලි නේද මොකද මේකේ 6ම මේ එකම වගේනේ නේද එතකොට ඒ වගේ 6ක් තියෙනවා කියන්නේ අර එකක area එක 6 වලින් multiply කරාම අපිට වටේම තියෙන faces වල total එක එනවා right ඉතින් මේක multiply කරගන්නවා 36 multiply 6. 6 times 6, 36, remaining 3. 6 times 3, 18, plus 3, 21. So your answer, 216 square centimeters. Okay, now are you clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, quickly write down the answer.
Finish.
Right. Anyone still writing?
Yes.
Okay. After finishing, inform me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I will give the question. You write down this question of your book. If a certain cube, total surface area is 150 square centimeters. Is 150 square centimeters. Right? 150 square centimeters. Full stop. If a certain, if a certain cube total surface area is 150 square centimeters, comma, find the length of a side, find the length of a side of this cube, right? Okay, 150 mean what? Total surface area, no? How many faces of a cube? There are 6 faces. නේද? එහෙනම් අර මේ faces 6ම addition එක නේද මේ 150 කියලා කියන්නේ. එහෙනම් එක face එකක area එක අපි කොහොමද ගන්න ඕන? Right? How we find the area of one surface? You have to what?
Divide by 6.
150. You have to divide by 6, no? එහෙනම් එකක ගන්න පුළුවන්. එක face එකක area එක ගන්න පුළුවන් අපිට ඒ විදියට, right? අපි එනම් ලියමු. I think not need to draw the figures. You write down area of a face is equal 150 divide 6. What is the answer?
$25 square centimeters.
25 square centimeters. Okay. ඔන්න අපි මේ වැඩේ හොයාගත්තා නේද? එහෙනම් එක face එකක් දැන් ඔන්න දන්නවා area එක කීයද කියලා, right? What is the shape of a face? Square shape, no? How you find the area of the square? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length and breadth are equal, no? එහෙනම් අර එක value එකක් ඒකෙම multiply කරාම නේද මේ 25 එන්න ඕන. right? ඔයගොල්ලෝ හිතන්න මෙහෙම. මෙයා x නම් මෙයාත් x නේ. X times x, that means x to the power 2 is 25. So how you find x? You have to take the square root of 25, no? Huh? What is the value?
5.
5 centimeters. So you can find the side length.
5.
Yes, side length of a face equal to square root of 25. හරි ඒක පැහැදිලිනේ. ඔන්න මම මේ පැත්තෙන් හදලා පෙන්නුවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කරන විදිය. square root of 25. right? දැන් මේ විදිහට හදන්න ඕනේ මම ගන්න විදිය පෙන්නුවේ square root of 25. So side length should be 5 centimeters. Right. Are you clear this part? It is okay. right? ඒතර මේ වගේ අර questions types දෙකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් නේද? side length එක දීලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට total surface area හොයන්න කියන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් total surface area එක දීලා side length එක හොයන්න කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. That's another type of questions. And then I am going to discuss how we find the area of cuboid. Right. අපි නම් cuboid එකෙත් බලමු area එක කොහොමද කියලා ගන්නෙ. Okay, then you draw this figure of your book. Quickly you draw. You draw the cuboid, okay?
Finish.
Right. Now you imagine the cuboid, right? How many faces of cuboid? There are 6 faces, no? Right? එතකොට බලන්න මේ faces 6 අර එක වගේ side faces කීයක් තියෙනවද කියලා බලන්න. Look at top and bottom, same size, no? Right? Top and bottom same size, and the front side and back side is the also similar, no? right? ඒ වගේ මේ sides දෙක බලන්නකො. මේ දෙපැත්තත් similar නේද? හරි පැහැදිලි නේද? එහෙනම් අර එකම වගේ sides කීය කීය තියෙනවද මේකේ? දෙක දෙක තියෙනවා. හරි පැහැදිලි නේද? එකම size එකේ sides, ඒ කියන්නේ එකම size එකේ faces දෙක දෙක තියෙනවා. හරි ඒක පැහැදිලිනේ නේද? මේක මම ලොකු කරලා මේ box එකක් පෙන්වන්න ඕනේ නැහැ නේ. පැහැදිලි නේද ඒක? clear නේ? හරි same shape and same size identical faces there are two each right ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලන්නකෝ මේක දැන් මම මේ bottom එක ගත්තොත් it is also rectangular shape no what is the length and breadth of the bottom length and breadth of the bottom
8 centimeter.
yes length and breadth not both are equal 8 and 5 right මේක නේ 8 and 5 හරි එතකොට දැන් අපි එයාගේ ඒරියා එක හොයනවා නම් ඔන්න හොඳට බලා ගන්න හරිද එයාගේ ඒරියා එක හොයනවා නම් මොකද කරන්න ඕන 8 into 5 එහෙමනේ ගන්නෙ නේද 8 into 5 හරි ඒ වගේම කීයක් තියෙනවද there are 2 හරි ඇයි මේ top එකයි bottom එකයි දෙකම එක වගේනේ නේද එහෙනම් ඒකට ඇඩ් වෙන්න ඕන තව මොනවද බලන්න මේක මේ side එක බලන්න මම මේ front එකේ තියෙන එක ගත්තා කියලා හිතන්න what is the measurement what are the measurements
3 and 5.
3 and 5 how many such sides there are two sides නේ මේ පැත්තයි මේ පැත්ත හරිද ඒ වගේම දෙකක් තියෙනවා එහෙනම් මම එකක් ගත්තා මෙන්න මේක පුළුවන්ද කියන්න ඕගොල්ලන්ට මම black color එකකින් mark කරන්නම් මෙන්න මේ side එක what are the measurements what are the measurements දැන් මේ ඉස්සරහින් තියෙන face එක මේක කීයද 8 නේද මේ height එක කීයද 3 8 and 3 හරිද පැහැදිලිද 8 and 3 ඒ වගේම කීයක් තියෙනවද දෙකක් නේද මේ පැත්තයි මේ පැත්තයි දෙකයි 2 එහෙනම් මේක අපි 2 වලින් multiply කරා හරිද පැහැදිලිද ඔන්න ඔය ටික ඇඩ් කරා නම් හරි simplify කරගෙන පැහැදිලිද yes
So මේ area කියන්නේ මේ solid area කියන්නේ volume එකද?
නෑ volume එක නෙවෙයි volume එක හොයන්නේ අපි මෙහෙම නෙවෙයි මේ හොයන්නේ total surface area ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ වගේ box එකක් අරගෙන paint කරනවා නම් අපි මෙන්න මේ අර outer faces නේද paint වෙන්නේ අන්නේ paint වෙන area එක තමයි එන්නේ volume කියන්නේ මේක ඇතුළට දාන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණය
Okay sir.
හරි එහෙනම් ඔන්න ඔය ටික මේක පැහැදිලිද හැමෝටම මේ ගත්ත විදිය එහෙනම් ඔබට මොකද්ද කරන්න තියෙන්නේ මේ හැම measurements දෙකක්ම multiply කරන්න ඕන නේද right 8 and 5 8 and 3 5 and 3 length breadth height මාරුවෙන් මාරුවට multiply වෙන්න ඕන තුන් පාරකට හරි ඒක ආයිමත් 2 වලින් multiply වෙන්න ඕන මොකද මේ වගේ faces දෙක හැම එකේම තියෙනවා හරිද clearද right then you can simplify 8 times 5 40 40 times 2 80 3 times 5 15 50 times 2 30 එහෙනම් මේ දෙකේ area එක 30 ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා right 3 times 8 24 24 multiply 2 48 so what is the total surface area you have to add 80 30 110 158 that's the total surface area can you raise hand who can understand this finding method?
Sir, can you explain another one?
Another one, okay. Right, hands down. Quickly write down. Are you finished now doing this work?
Yes, sir.
I think some students still doing, no? Right, okay. After finish, quickly inform me.
Yes.
ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේව හොයාගන්න. හරිද? මොනවද? length, breadth, height. හරියට මේක decide කරන්න. ඊට පස්සේ මොකද කරන්නේ? ඒ දෙක multiply කරන්න. multiply කරලා ආයි ඒව 2 වලින් multiply වෙනවා. මොකද ඒ වගේ faces දෙක මේකේ තියෙනවා නේද? හරි? Right. Okay. Now any student is still doing? So all of you finish, no? Okay. Then I am going to do another question. Again, you draw quickly the figure. You think this measurement given 10 centimeters. This measurement given as 6 centimeters. And this one given as 8 centimeters.
sir
Yes.
area එක හොයන්න ඕනේ අපිද?
හරි මාත් එක්කම හොයමු නේද? ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හොයන්න දෙන්න homework එකක්. හරි? හරි. හරි. මට හැමෝම කියන්න what are the measurements of the bottom? Bottom එකේ measurements මොනවද කියන්නකෝ?
10.
8 and 10 no? එහෙනම් ඒ වගේ දැන් ඒක මොකද්ද? rectangular නේ නේද? right? එහෙනම් කොහොමද අපි හොයන්න ඕනේ? 8 into 10. How many such faces? There are 2 no? එහෙනම් මේක අපි ආයෙමත් මොකද්ද වෙන්න ඕන? දෙකෙන් වැඩි වෙන්න ඕන. ඇයි මේ top and bottom? Both are similar. Add look at this side. මෙන්න මේ side එක බලන්නකෝ මේ පැත්තේ තියෙන side එක. What are the measurements?
10, 6, 8.
මේක 6 sorry මේක 6 මේක 8 නේද? හරි මේ width එකමනේ මේ පැත්තේ තියෙන්නේ. So what are the measurements? 8 and 6. එහෙනම් ඒක හොයන්නේ කොහොමද? 8 multiply 6 such that 2 faces. මේ පැත්ත එකයි මේ පැත්ත එකයි. හරි මේ දෙකම එක වගේ. Right. Can you tell me this one front side? මේක අපි හිතමු front එක කියලා.
6, 10.
6 and 10. Right? 6 and 10. So 10 multiplied such that there are 2 faces. මේ වගේ faces දෙකක් තියෙනවා. ඔය වගේ faces දෙකක් තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් ඔන්න අපේ වැඩේ හරි. හරි මේක හැමෝටම clearද?
Yes, sir.
මේ දෙක අරගෙන අපි multiply කරලා ඒක ආයෙමත් 2 වලින් multiply වෙනවා. ඇයි? ඒ වගේ faces දෙක තියෙනවා. හරි මෙතන 2 මෙතන 2 මෙතන 2 6 faces. Right. Then you have to simplify. 8 times 10 80. 80 multiply 2 160. 8 times 4 sorry 8 times 6 48. 48 multiply 2 96. 10 times 6 60. 60 multiply 2 120. Then you have to add 160 120 96 6 8 17 remaining 1 3 376 square centimeter. That's the total surface area of this cuboid. Right, I think all of you can understand how we find the total surface area of a cuboid, no? Right? Do you have some problems? Raise hand if you can understand. Binary, Tahani, Satira, can you understand? Tahani, okay, no? Binary, Satira, clear the etiquette?
Okay, sir.
Right.